Today I'm going to be making this leather sheath. This is for a boot knife that I made in the last video. A couple of firsts for me on this sheath. I did some tooling work here. I also put this liner in to go over the inside of the sheath and protect the blade. Here's how I made it. Okay, so step one, making a knife sheath. I need to make a pattern, cut my leather out, center my knife on the line here at the point and at the handle. So I'm just tracing the shape of my knife onto the paper. So I've got my knife pattern drawn out. Now I need to mark the outline of my sheath. I'm going to put a welt in the sheath because it is a dagger, so these are both going to be sharp edges. So I've got these dividers set at 3/8 of an inch, and I can just follow my outline here. I can just come in here, trace over that line with my pencil. And that should give me a pattern for my sheath. Now I'm going to cut this pattern out. So I've got my pattern drawn out here. Now I need to cut the welt, mark the outline of my pattern here. So that's where the edge of my welt's going to be, but I want to cut it just a little bigger so it sticks out, and then I can cut that off. And then for the inside cut, I can just come in here and mark my outline of my knife again. Pattern for my sheath, pattern for my welt. Now I can take these over, pick out a piece of leather, trace those patterns out, and cut out my leather. So alright, so I've got my pieces cut out, both sides, my welt, my strap. I'm going to put in some stitch line grooves. So on the front of the sheath, what I want to try and do is mimic this snake pattern onto the sheath, dye that a different color so that it stands out, or I'll try and draw that pattern on my paper here, and then I can transfer that over to my sheath. So something like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and attach the liner to the sheath with some contact cement. So I use these little brass nails to line up the holes on both sides of the sheath when I glued it together. The reason I did that is because I cut this groove line on the back side of the sheath. It's almost impossible to assemble this and punch or drill through. You'll get a good straight line on the front, not so great on the back. It's almost impossible to hit this groove line when you do that, at least for me anyway. But I really like having this nice even stitch line on the front and the back. So the only way I figured out how to do that is to punch all these holes on both sides of the sheath, line them up at the start, and it'll come out pretty evenly at the end on both pieces, and then you just have to align them when you glue them together. So that's why I use these little tacks, these little brass tacks, so that I can get it all lined up and straight. So when I go to stitch it, my holes will be all lined up. Well, that should do it. Y'all have a nice day, and we'll see you later.